All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at right now. Right now, I'm at the store. No, really, I'm at the store. Look. What is Skyping? Well, no, she's Facebooking me. And I'm at the store through Facebook. But yeah, anyways, woke up this morning, grabbed some coal because we needed some coal. We actually are moving coal, the charcoal. So we picked up 4 more bags of that, picked up some eggs, got some load for Globe. If you're not familiar with what a load is, over here in the Philippines you buy what they call loads, and you load it into your phone, and then that gives you airtime for text messaging or Facebooking or whatever you want. So we picked some of that up, and then I took her over and dropped her off, came back, and today of course is Saturday, so Hannah Grace, you know, I said let's let her just sleep, let's let her relax, because you know she goes over to the store all week long and she can't play outside because the road is so busy. So, and then her friend Jackie is, you know, she plays with Jackie a lot here, and there's no school today. Of course it's Saturday, so I figured let her stay here for a couple hours and play, and then we're actually going to bring Jackie over to the store so they can hang out at the store together and play together. So, but yeah, that's what's going on today. All right, the gang's all here. What do you have to say, gang members? Wala. Wala? Nothing? What are we doing today?
Wala kami sasabihin.
Oh.
Playing.
Playing? Today's playing day? Every day's playing day?
Yeah. Tomorrow is homework day.
Tomorrow's homework day. What about Monday?
School day.
School day. All right. There's the gang. All right, so we got some special guests right here, and they're going to help run the store. Look's upstairs, taking a bath, and we've got some special guests right now to help run the store. We got. And what is your name?
Hannah Grace S. Morgado.
And what is your name?
Jacqueline is Ashley.
And what is your name?
Carolina is.
So there are the special guests to help run L&H Sari Sari Store. I think we're in good hands. I think they'll do a very good job. So I had to pay 3 pesos because I was throwing rice at them. And Hannah Grace told me 3 pesos for throwing rice. But I knew what she was up to. She wants candy. They all want candy.
Ay, gusto niya? Ayaw. Yung lollipop? Gusto ko yaki. Ano ba yan? Ah, ayun, may music. Pero wala, no? Meron pa. Ayun, no? Ayun nga po. Sabay-sabay ka lang.
Good helpers.
Susulat ko pa eh.
If you throw rice, you gotta pay.
Wait lang.
I was throwing rice at them, so I had to pay 3 pesos. Alright, so I've seen friends of mine playing this game back in the United States. They bought this thing they stuck in their mouth, and then they would speak, and it, of course, it messes up what you're saying. And the others would guess what they were trying to say, but the girls just ate lollipops, and they stuck the stick in their mouth, and they're playing the same game.
O-A-R-I.
Come here.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. All right, Jackie, your turn. Jackie, your turn.
Maingay.
You have to think of a word.
Pairamin mo si Kai. Ano pa si Kai yung una? Ay, sunod kasi. Asan na yung sa'yo? Tinapon ko na.
Jackie, your turn. Kylie's turn. All right, her turn.
Ako.
Oh, ito. Mag-isip ka, tapos.
196 lang.
English?
Yes.
All right, English, English. So I can play.
Ito.
Ano?
Girl says black. Greatest!
Anong flavor lang?
Green tea?
No. Ano yung sabi mo? Girl! Greatest! Sabi mo 80s. Girl! Oh nga, greatest! Girl!
Graham kiss. Green kiss.
Green kiss! Ayun!
Baby
Green
white?
kiss.
Ah, all right. All right, Jackie. Your turn, Jackie.
Dito lang.
Pera lang.
Oh, Jackie's turn.
Hindi ko kasi kaya yan. Ang sakit. Bilis. Hindi ko nga kaya yung bahasa. Ang sakit kasi. Ganyan mo na lang. Bilis. Huwag mo na.
Daling, daling.
Ano pa gagawin niya? Tutusok mo. Yan.
Mangkuwan.
Ayan.
Chipe.
Ayan.
Clover.
Ayan.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Kopiko.
Pass.
Nagaraya.
Pass.
No, try one more time.
Try
Try
one
one
more time.
One more time. Alam ko na yun. R-N-A-L. Ano?
Ano?
R-N-A-L.
R-N. Pass?
Pass.
I pass.
Is crackling.
Sabi ko
Ah.
nga.
Earl.
Ariel.
Ariel.
Earl.
RL? Ano?
A-L-N-H.
Earl. Earl. Cigarette.
Marlboro.
Earl.
Marlboro Red?
Earl.
Light red.
Cigarette.
Marlboro
Portion?
cigarette.
Earl. Cigarette. Yeah.
Ano sa'yo lang?
Marlboro cigarette.
All right, look, your
Ay,
turn.
never mind.
Come on. No, it's your turn. You gotta do one.
No!
Yes, you gotta do one.
Ay, wait a minute. Ow!
Go, go. Masakit siya.
Aha.
Ano?
Ano?
Ahe.
What is it?
Ahe.
Ahe.
Oishi.
Oh, Yushi. All right. And this is what we do to kill time here when we're bored. Figure things, play games, do something, figure something out just to entertain ourselves because
Ikaw.
that's just part of being here and that's part of having fun here. All right, guys, so I'm at a place right now called SNR. SNR this is fairly new. It's built last year, the end of the year. SNR is like a Costco or like a Sam's Club here in the Philippines. I know people had asked me about, you know, places like that here in the Philippines. This is one, SNR membership. You got to be a member, just like a Sam's Club. I only shop here for certain items because they do carry a lot of Filipino products in here, but they do also carry a lot of, you know, U.S. products and things like that. It's a lot of bulk items in here. So, and like I said, I don't do a lot of shopping in here, just certain items. And there's certain items I've been looking for, and if I can't find it here, I usually can't find it. What I mean as far as like USA products and things. So I want to head into Sam's Club. I think I'll film incognito because I don't know what the policy is filming in there. So yeah, let's I'll show you guys around SNR here. Alright, so I'm back from SNR and I want to show you one of the things I got that like you can't find anywhere. And they're from the States and they have them in SNR and I always pick them up when I got there. But first of all, one of the things I picked up was some platters, salted caramel peanuts. They do sell platters here. They actually sell them in a lot of the stores. But I picked up the salted caramel peanuts, 99 pesos for that. And I picked up a pecan pie. Now these pies were, I think, 200 pesos more than what they are now. They're marked down to $3.99. And I was checking them out for a while. I actually bought a pumpkin pie up there one time and it was very good, excellent. And I wanted to get the pecan pie, but I thought it was a little expensive at the time. So I came down, so I grabbed a pecan pie, but this is the ultimate. This is the ultimate find at SNR for me. When it's there, I grab it. Like I said, they have a lot of US products, and a lot of times if I see something I've been wanting, I just grab it. But this is the ultimate find. You guys ready? Hot Pockets. You cannot find Hot Pockets in any of the local grocery stores here. Only at SNR. I picked up Hot Pockets, 2 of them. I think they're only like 99 pesos for the Hot Pockets. So that's one of the good deals and one of the good finds up at SNR. All right, guys, I think I'm going to wrap this one up. It's been a good day, a fun day. It's actually been warm out. I think summer's on the way, right, Lut? Yeah, so it's going to start getting hot out. But anyways, guys, once again, thanks for tuning into the channel. It wouldn't be a channel if it wasn't for you guys as subscribers. So journey continues tomorrow, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait, it kind of doesn't make sense. I'm not going to see you guys tomorrow. You guys are going to see us tomorrow, so anyways.